Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo V21 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove all of them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, but if you've got this list so wide, I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data here. And as you can see, we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. What's more, you can change the time range from last hour to last 7 days or all time, and all you have to do after that is to simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, so it means that for sure we just removed actually everything, starting from the list of the websites and ending on autofill from data. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Vivo V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.